Hey everybody, this beautiful yellow-fronted Amazon is Zues, and Zues is just loving some head scratches right now. Zues is available for adoption, guys. He's only 1 year old. Hi Zues. We actually have 6 Amazons available right now, so if you're thinking about adding an Amazon to your flock, Zues would be a great choice, and also we have several others here as well. He does step up. He actually went with us to the 4th Avenue Street Fair, and we passed him around to probably like 500 people, and he did wonderful. So, wonderful, young, sweet bird. If you're interested, guys, set up an appointment, give us a call. We'd love to have you come down to Paradise Parrot Rescue. Hi. 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 Cracker? Hi, little boy.